Hello children, today we are going to do a very interesting craft activity. We are going to make a paper folding dinosaur. You can do it step by step along with me. For this activity we need a paper. It can be any color paper. I have taken this purple paper. We need glue, pencil and a scissor. Let's start. So first of all, let's fold our paper like this. Now you can see in this folded part we have a perfect square. Now this extra paper we will just cut out. So we can simply fold it inside and using a scissor or a cutter we can just cut this out. So I have just folded this like this and I'll cut it out. As this was a rectangular A4 size paper, so we are cutting this part and we'll get a perfect square paper with us. So we'll just keep this aside. Now keep this paper like this, so the diagonal line should be just in front of us like this. Now let's do some drawings. Now let's do the drawing. Make sure your paper is opening this way. Now we will first draw the face of the dinosaur like this, and we can just draw a straight line like this, and if you want you can use a scale here also. If you have a scale you can simply draw a straight line here like this, and here will be the feet of the dinosaur. Then again here one more line we need to draw like this. And here we can just add some scales. So I'm just doing simple triangulars here. Just 5 or 6 we need to do. Now using a scissor we will do the cutouts. So we'll simply cut this off slowly and carefully. Using the scissor we will cut it out. These triangles also we will cut out. All the triangles we will cut out. So children, we can see we have this outer cutout ready of the dinosaur. Now using this remaining paper we will draw two hands. So we can just fold the paper and we can draw here. It's just 1/2 oval size. Now we can cut this out. So as there is a fold, we will get two cutouts in one go. So you have to hold it from the middle and we have to cut it this way. And then you have to cut it from middle to. Now you see we have two hands with us. Now using a marker, we will just draw few lines on it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. I'm using pencil color as markers are not much visible as the color of the paper is dark. Also I'll draw a mouth here. Now using glue we will just stick both the hands. We just need to apply very little glue at the end. One we have to stick on the first part of the paper and another we will stick on the back side paper. Here we will stick the another one. So again I'll just apply some glue and just below this hand we will stick this too, and firmly we will press for some time. Here it is. Now let's stick the eyes. So if you have the googly eyes, you can simply stick the googly eyes, or you can just make it using a white and black paper and stick that on the dinosaur face like this. Next, we will just add some circles on the body of the dinosaur. So I'm using orange because it will be very contrast to purple. So we'll just draw some circles on the orange paper, smaller and bigger. Simple circles, and then we will cut it out. Now let's cut out these circles. Carefully using the scissor, we have to cut it out. All the circles we will cut out one by one. To make it easier to cut, we can just cut small piece around the circle and then we can cut out. Also, if we want to cut 2 or 3 of the same size, we have one technique for that. We can just draw a circle. We can fold the paper in 4 parts, and we can just fold it like this, and then we can cut them all in one go like this. So we can just cut all 3 to 4 of them in just one. So now we have all these circles. We will just stick them. I'm just applying glue randomly all over. Not too much glue, just little bit glue, and then we need to stick it. So this is it. So children, you can see this opens up like this, and the dinosaur is almost ready now with us. If you want, we can just add some more these lines here in the feet, in the hands. So children, this dinosaur is ready. If we just open it like a greeting card and we make it stand like this, it becomes a standy dinosaur, and it is very stable and it stands on its own. You can see. So I hope you have enjoyed doing this dinosaur craft with me. We'll meet again with more art and craft activities. Till then, bye bye.